Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel once again. So in this video we are still talking about demand and supply. So right now you can see there is a previous supply zone here. I've used it in our previous video. This supply zone, I used it here and it created another supply zone. But then you can see when it created this supply zone, this pressure came to break it. So now I think this supply zone will be acting as a demand zone, which I think it happened here, but I missed. So right now we'll wait for this candlestick to come back down here. When it gets back down here, we'll look for confirming candlestick patterns and then we'll do a call trade, because the way the demand and supply works, it works with a change in polarity, it works with rejections, and it also works with fake breakouts. So I'm going to draw the complete zone. Okay, this zone is already here. So let's see what's going to happen here. And before then, I'm still going to look for other zones like this one. It's already getting closer. So let me put it. This is this. The zone is big, and this. Okay. This inside here is a zone, inside here is a zone, but like I told you, the market will come back down here, and when it comes back down here, what I'll do, let me remove this one so it doesn't, we don't get confused. Now what I'll do, I'll go to like the lower time frame, like the 10 seconds chart. Okay, so this is 1 minute here and this is 10 seconds here. So I'll wait for price to enter inside this place. We want to do what? A call from here. A call option from here is what we want. So I want to see a rejection. Like I told you, the first thing is a rejection. Let's wait. A rejection, either a rejection or we see, in this case, a fake breakout from here. Yes, we see a fake breakout from here. Okay, that means the price, this candlestick might come to break here and it will seem as if it's going down and the fake breakout. So we are looking for the confirmation pattern from the lower time frame. We are drawing the demand zone from the higher time frame. Sorry, we draw the demand zone from the higher time frame. We look for confirmation from the lower time frame. So like I said, we are not going down. We already know from the higher time frame that we want to go with the demand zone. So we are not going down, we are going up. So let's see what's happening. Let's see this price action. Something is going to happen. What's wrong with my network? Oh, I think it has happened. What is wrong with this network? But then, yeah, I think I'll. Okay, you see the fake breakout happened here. So, but I missed. So I'm now going where it has given me a better entry point. But this is how we should take this trade. So at the end of the day, you find out that this candlestick will come and then it will close above our entry point. Let's go to this. You see it here. It will come down and go to close above our entry point. So let's wait. And you know there is another demand zone. There is another demand zone here with this. So we can take two trades. I don't know why the network is bad. Okay, this is the first trade that we've taken. So this is the second. Please, I need you to understand. This is a demand turned supply. This is a whole zone, and I entered, but I don't know why this network is disturbing. Let me on my router. Okay, now this is the first one, right? The second one now is happening. The second one is happening. So this is the first zone. Let me remove this one so we don't get confused. Let me see. Let me remove this. Okay. Now this is the first one. I was expecting that the market goes up, but it did not. We got it in the morning, although we got it in the morning, and then we got it in the morning, and we have to take another trade. And this is what we want to do now. There is another demand zone here. This is kind of confusing because I was disorganized by the internet connection, but I will do my best to get this going. I want to give a proper one. Okay, so now I will go to the lower time frame. I'll go to the lower time frame here. You see this trade. Now let me go to the lower time frame, and I'm looking again for maybe a fake breakout is going to happen here again, and I'm sure it will. But I don't know, these candles, they are not moving. Okay, first one, let's see a proper fake breakout, then I go. Yes, so it's a fake breakout. I'm going with the uptrend. Why is it a fake breakout? Because as you can see, you see the breakout from the bottom part of the demand zone. This candle came back in, it came back down and still closed back up. So little by little, you are going to be seeing the green candle, as you can see, is now going up. And if we come back here, we can see that it was a fake breakout here, but here it was just a rejection with the kind of candlestick that I told you about. So this is how you trade the demand and the supply zone using this candlestick pattern. There is a way the candlestick behaves when it comes there. Like I told you, we already know from here that we want to do a call trade based on the demand zone we have. So what we are looking for are three things: a fake breakout. We're looking for a fake breakout. We're looking for a rejection, which was this, and we might be looking for also the change in polarity. In the case of a change in trend, we're looking for a change in polarity, but for this, the demand zone was formed, it is fresh. Go back to that video, I'm telling you, go back there. You see, when I tell you use freshly formed zone, this zone was formed now, it just came back and it worked. Now after this has worked and maybe worked again, if the trend is coming down and breaks, it may not be a fake breakout anymore. It may be a change in polarity that's going to work. So this is the rejection that worked in the higher time frame, but in the lower time frame, it was a fake breakout that worked. So in case this is your first time, do it to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.